Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing well, and alhamdulillah I'm good too. So basically in today's video I will show you how to make gritty red dirt. There are two procedures. Like if you want to make your red dirt super soft, then you sift out all of the grit and you just leave the rest, and this is what it looks like. It is super soft, gritty, not gritty, it is super soft red dirt. And if you want to make your texture gritty, then you don't sift it out, you just leave it there and it looks like this is the gritty one and this is the soft one. You can see no grit. And if you want to make it more gritty, then you add more of this grit into your texture, then it will be like this. Okay, but usually I like my texture like this, not so gritty, not so soft, in between. So I'm gonna show you how to make shapes of this gritty red dirt. It's super dusty and super soft, you can see. I don't want to make it soft because I already have some soft texture, so I will be making it gritty. So I will show you the pouring first and then we will make the texture, okay? So here is one thing. If you want to make your slabs, like slabs of gritty red dirt, you need this type of consistency, you know, like watery and thick paste play type consistency. So you just make slabs like this. You take some of the stuff and you just leave it on the floor, not floor, but try to spread it on a sheet, because when it's gonna dry, it's gonna stick to the floor and you will not be able to pick it out. So we need consistency like this if we are making slabs, but if we are making something else like some other shape, then we can make it more thick. You know, you have to add more texture and make it thick. I need some more water. So guys, finally I'm done with pouring, and now I will spread it out on the floor and then we will start our shape making procedure. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some pure cement in this texture. Previously I didn't add pure cement and the texture was very soft. So now what I'm gonna do is I will add cement to make it little bit, strong, little bit hard, not very, but some kind of hard texture. So that's why I'm gonna add pure cement. You can see not too much, but a little for all the texture. Okay, I think it's enough. We will mix it completely like this. Now this texture is completely ready. We will make some shapes to see if it's okay or not. It's ready. Finally, it's done.